Till then, I'm hustling, till I'm number one, no discussion. You thought you was, but you wasn't. You hit on me cause I'm buzzing. That's your auntie and cousin.
Hey, what is up guys? We're back again with another video. And so today we are starting off a brand new series. This is going to be the Shop or Flop series. Basically what I'm going to do each episode is go to a different store and I'm going to show you guys everything that is inside. And then at the end of the day, we're going to go ahead and determine if it is a shop or a flop. So basically that means if you should shop there or if it's a complete flop and you should just not even bother looking at it. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys smash that like button, comment down below your favorite store or what store I should do next. And other than that, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so on top today, we just got this simple Diamond Co windbreaker thing. We got just some simple Adidas track pants. These are like the, just the regular Tyro 17 or whatever they are. And then, of course, we got the shoes on the triple white Ultra Boost. I think these are the 4.0. I can't even remember. So right when I walk in, see this stuff. So this is the first backpack right here. It's really simple, it's blue, white. I really like this, I would get it, but I don't need a new backpack. I got a Supreme backpack. Original price is $118. They have it for $40 right here, so that's not a bad deal at all. This jacket right here is definitely my favorite. This is really, really nice. It's like a thicker jacket, so it's good for like fall and winter. Retail is $175 right here. And wherever they got it for $50. I mean, that's a pretty good deal too. This is definitely a must cop for me, like if I have the money. All right, so this right here, we got Ralph Lauren denim shirt. Retail is $89 and it's selling for 40? Yeah. This is a really nice shirt though. It has like some like fading and stuff, so whatever kind of distressing you can call it, but nice one.
Oh my goodness!
This right here is like a light one, but we got, I'm not even about to trying to take it down. This is a Fila duffel bag, it's only $17, which is pretty good. This right here, I know this is American Eagle, but like, that's pretty nice. It kind of reminds me of like Off-White, obviously, with like the plaid shirt and the printing on the back. But this is a pretty nice shirt. I mean, it's only $13. I wear a lot of shorts that are South Pole brand and I really like them, so this is probably a nice fit if you can get them. They're only $15 too. So I don't own anything Puma, but I have been liking a lot of their stuff that they've been putting out. This is really simple, really clean, obviously. It's only $25. Retail is $50, so like half off, not bad. This is a simple, just Adidas sweatshirt. It's good quality and everything. It's only $25, so not too bad for a hoodie. Retail is $55.
Ooh, I like those.
Yeah, these are really, really nice, but I think they're like way too big. This is an extra large, so too big for me, but these are really, really clean. They're only $40 too. Retail on these is $100. These things literally look like the North Face Supreme collab, and these are North Face pants. Ooh, what is this? What is this? This is definitely some sort of designer collab. It's a Puma and Han, whatever that name is. These things are only $25. I'm gonna look up and see how much these are worth because I don't know. I think this is definitely a collab of some sort. Retail on these things is $130. They're only $25 here. NBA jersey, only $6. Then they got some hats. This one is definitely one that I would get. Has some pins on it, only $13. That's kind of clean, simple, you know, goes a lot of things. You can also take the pins off, obviously. That's a nice hat. Alright, so honestly brought up a good point here. So I was about to show these pair of jeans, right? They're $20, normally $118. I don't know what brand this is, Italy? I don't know. Something like that. Not bad jeans. But anyway, I was sitting there and I was about to film. She was filming. And I was about to start talking about the jeans. And this guy's mom is sitting there behind me. She's like getting those vibes, you know, like this lady's gonna go tell the manager that we're recording. So I'm all the way back in the bedding section. It's kind of hard to film here because this is like right near the register. Like the men's clothing is near the register. Some zippers, some distressing, you know. I wouldn't pay $118 for them, that's for sure. $20 maybe. This is some weird looking stuff. It's like a blanket, but like a sweatshirt. It's 25, normally 75. I would never buy it. It's a little weird, honestly. I don't know. I just think it's weird.
I'd buy it. I'd buy it.
So these are some cropped Adidas pants. The retail is 70. They want 30 for them. I don't know. This is kind of different. Maybe I'll try them at some point because they're like 3/4 pants. I don't know like what the exact word is for them, but these aren't too bad. Definitely something different. Alright guys, so that is going to conclude this episode of Shop or Flop. This one, well, let's go ahead and just do a little rundown of all the numbers. Shoes obviously are 0 out of 10. This Tjmaxx does not sell men's shoes, and the women's shoes were complete trash. For t-shirts, honestly, I'm just gonna give it like a 4 out of 10. There was nothing I really found. I don't even think I showed you guys really any t-shirts because there just really wasn't any, and they were all like really cheap shirts and everything. There wasn't anything good. For jackets, I'm gonna give honestly a 7 out of 10. There is a lot of nice jackets that they had, although some prices were a little bit higher than I would pay. Also, there wasn't like a huge selection for jackets, even though winter is coming up. For pants, honestly, for jeans, there was like nothing. But for sweatpants, there was a good amount, some different things, some collabs and everything like that, which is pretty nice. So for sweatpants, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 6 out of 10. And for accessories, meaning like hats and bags and stuff like that, I'm gonna go ahead and drop a 6 out of 10. It wasn't that bad. There was only a couple bags. Honestly, whatever I showed you guys is all they really had that I personally felt was like any sort of like style or anything like that or worth it. Overall, let me know what you guys think. Do you think it is a shop or a flop? Let me know down below. Honestly, I think it's a flop. I have shopped at this Tjmaxx a lot and there just really isn't that much. Like every time I come, I'll be lucky to get something every like 3 to 5 visits, which isn't very good at all. I know they change up their stuff all the time. So make sure you guys check your Tjmaxx. You never know what you're gonna come across. There's a chance you'll come across some good stuff. For me, it is a flop, unfortunately. I was expecting it to be a shop, honestly, because it is change of season, so I thought they were gonna get a lot of new stuff in. Thought it was gonna be better, but it just wasn't. So other than that, guys, let me know what you guys think of this new series. Let me know what I should do next down below. And other than that, guys, I'll see you guys next time with a new video. Bye.
I done been through dark times. Always find a flashlight. I'm just trying to reach the top till I know what that's like.